भारताची आपल्या भारताची अर्थव्यवस्था जगातील चौथी सर्वात मोठी अर्थव्यवस्था बनलेली आहे। अमेरिका, चीन आणि जर्मनी नंतर भारत सर्वात मोठी अर्थव्यवस्था बनलेली आहे। अर्थव्यवस्थेच्या बाबतीत भारताने जपानला सुद्धा मागे टाकलंय। 2.5 ते 3 वर्षात भारत तिसरी मोठी अर्थव्यवस्था बनण्याची शक्यता आहे। नीति आयोगाचे सीईओ सुब्रमण्यम यांनी हा विश्वास व्यक्त केला।
We are the fourth largest economy as I speak. We are a $4 trillion economy as I speak. And this is not my data, this is IMF data. India today is larger than Japan. So it's only the United States, China and Germany which are larger. And if we stick to what is being planned, what is being thought through, it's a matter of another 2.5 to 3 years, we would become the third largest economy. And in this, the reason for the Prime Minister giving this call is this is a long haul and we have to do it for about 25 years.